And if you didn't come, sorry, maybe next year.
I think anybody that didn't make it, that couldn't come, they have to be here next year.
All the way in the left, bottom shelf, it's got the red, there's a red pump, and then the box has a full 5-gallon bucket. So this tire's been leaking nonstop. So today we're gonna add some multi-seal. I don't know if it's really meant to work as in to actually fix it while it's already flat, while it's already leaking, but we're gonna try it anyways. If we gotta replace the tires, we'll replace the tires. So multi-seal was at the show last year. I'm not sure if they're gonna be a vendor again this year, but it's coming pretty handy.
Oh shit. That wasn't supposed to happen.
Shut up. Yeah.
I can't even move back to put gas in the Kenworth.
Oh, you ain't going nowhere.
Hell no, I'm not.
You ain't going nowhere. Pull the truck up over here if you don't mind the pickup truck. We got a shitload of rain yesterday, as you guys can see. Yo, what is going on, YouTube? This is Josh with American AF Dumpsters in Dallas. We've had a shitty strain of luck lately. The international, actually, let me show you what I did. So you got last video you guys saw, Daniel had a missing bolt in the hanger, the springs hanger, and so yesterday I've got all new bolts and alignment. I don't even know what it's called, like alignment washers or alignment pin, or I don't know. But that hole right there, little square body hole, that thing is where you can put like a wrench, and that's how they do the alignment. So we got it on. Today we're gonna go drop it off at the alignment shop and get that get it aligned, and then this truck will be ready to go. We do have a front passenger seal that is blown, so we're gonna get that fixed as well. Now we got a flat tire on this thing, which we were gonna put some multi-seal in it, but it completely came off the bead. So now we're gonna have to completely take it off, take it to a tire shop, and have them fix it. Which I just did this exact thing probably. So this is, you're gonna have to take this because this has the valve on there. Don't forget that. Matter of fact, you can put the valve on if you want. You know how to do that? Yeah, but be careful you don't cross the threads or nothing. I think it's this one. I put him on by hand, homie. Come on now. You hear what he said? He thought he was taking the Kenworth right away. He's like, oh, it's in the way of the Kenworth. Bruh, you ain't going nowhere. Slow-mo that shit. Get my guns all shaking like that. No. I think we pulled up a little. Make it easier on us, bro. Poor guy. It's his first day. You're good. You're good. All right, come on. I'm gonna need your help on this. We're gonna lay it. We're gonna lay it. No, like that. We're gonna lay it like this, and then flat. Pick it up. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Me and Alexis did this
the other day.
Yeah. Dale. Hey, you take the valve stem?
Yeah.
You put it on there? Okay. Brakes are nice and dry. No seal problem there. Me and my bright ideas. Could have just filled it up here temporarily, just gotten to enough to get to the tire shop, but oh well. Guess we're not gonna do that today. All right, so today is a very slow day, so we're gonna be doing some maintenance items, and we're gonna give you guys couple little updates. First one, I promise you guys, the next time you saw this bad boy, it would be wrapped. So this is it. Let me show you this wrap, y'all. This thing is incredible. The wrap was done by Fire Auto Wraps out of Venus, Texas. They used to be in Midlothian. They're the ones that re-wrapped for a second time my Ram 2500. But this thing is incredible. This matte wrap designed from the bottom up by yours truly. I definitely wanted to go with a Cybertruck theme. The American AF on the side is more of a Cybertruck font. So it's got rivets front to back. It's got my little American AF guy that we've got on our t-shirts, QR codes. The back, I gotta send a big shout out to the sponsors. The back is getting redone. I wasn't very happy with that was the only thing. The design of the back tailgate did not come out as I intended. So we are getting it rewrapped, but I do have spots for up to 8 sponsors. So if anybody else is looking at sponsoring this wrap and wants to be on this truck, let me know. Shoot me an email, Josh at American AF Dumpsters. Big shout out and thank you to Keystone Waste Solutions. Bram, I thank you guys for all your support of the channel over the years. We've got Wisdom Insurance. The guy saved me $7,000 my first year of insurance. I highly suggest reaching out to him and applying for your company. iCans, of course, I can't mention iCans enough on this channel. I absolutely love iCans. I am a part of iCans, so if you want a new software, you want to try out a new software, $99 a month, no matter how big or small you are, gets you all the back end stuff, everything. And if you want a website, you got Magnate Pro SEO. Those guys are doing all the websites for all the iCans users. So Magnate, they do my websites as well. And then you got my boy Ronnie with Spearcrest. The guy is awesome when it comes to building sites. He's done a lot in the junk removal industry, and now he's doing a lot in the dumpster industry as well. So Spearcrest. Again, these logos will be will look a lot better in the next couple of weeks. We're redesigning the tailgate and making it look like it's part of the truck. I didn't really like the way that came out, but I've got a spot for 3 more sponsors. So if anybody's interested, let me know. Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Josh with American AF Trailers here in Waxahachie, Texas. I want to take a second to introduce you to the new product line, a new trailer that we are carrying here at American AF Trailers. It is from Cougar Manufacturing, and it is a beast. Check this thing out. First and foremost, it is a 14-foot, 16K GVWR trailer. It's got 2 8K axles, 8 lugs each, 18-ply tires. It is heavy duty. This thing has strobe lights all the way around. It has a 20,000-pound winch, cable winch, that gives you more than enough top power to pick up any kind of dumpster that you may need. It's got a US tarp system with a USA flag tarp that's extremely patriotic. LED light bar will definitely brighten up your night. And then it comes with some awesome accessories like your tough wireless remote control and your Anderson plug wire to run to your truck. So you're gonna have to wire your own truck, but it will wire your trailer so that you can keep this thing charged up plenty throughout your work day. So again, check this thing out, www.americanaftrailers.com. It is very, very affordable, and it's ready and in stock for you right now. Check it out. Of course, we went with the American AF or the American flag on the truck. It just had to. I kind of regret doing the second wrap on my Ram 2500, and so when the bank account recuperates a little bit, I think I'm gonna re-wrap the Ram 2500. But come on back here to the front real quick. The front, it just looks like, I mean, it's got this cool little highlight right here. It almost makes it look like the sun's hitting it. It just looks super cool. I am super impressed. These guys did an incredible job. Again, Fire Auto Wraps in Midlothian. They did not sponsor this channel. They did not sponsor the wrap whatsoever, but I got to give a shout out to, you know, small businesses when they do a really good job. They also tinted my windows for me, tinted the windshield for me, and we also got this nice brow. Mind you, the windshield goes from down here all the way up to top, but this brow is incredible. And then it's specifically cut out to avoid hitting all the cameras and the sensors in the front. They just did an awesome job. They actually own a Cybertruck as well, the owners of that wrap company, so they know exactly what needed to be done on this thing to make it work right. I can't wash it, so it's a little bit dirty, especially the rocker panels at the bottom. but I can't really wash it for 30 days. So it's been sitting in the garage for the last week. But this thing, I am just super stoked to really start showing this thing off. It came out killer. So right now we're gonna do a couple little trailer videos. Guys, do not forget, we are also a trailer dealership. I've got a few in stock. We've got the Cougar, so it's a brand new trailer line that we are carrying here at American AF Trailers. We've got the Keystone bumper pull, and we've got the Max D roll off as well. Both standard rails on the left. The Max D is proprietary rails. So and we're gonna be starting carrying more and more trailers as time goes on.
On the scene.
Yo, what is up? My name is Josh from American AF Trailers. I've got for you guys. All right, so we are done filming on the trailers. Did a lot of filming there. It is almost noon already, so half the day is already almost gone. But we're gonna go take the International and get to the mechanic shop, and hopefully they can align it. Probably shouldn't take too long, so hopefully it'll be ready by tomorrow. Yeah, go on, this thing is dirty. Dane's gonna have to do a cleaning today, boy.
Good alignment. Okay.
So rear alignment, the front, I think it was a passenger seal.
Front seal.
Yeah.
Fix that wheel seal.
So we are in the podcast room. I have got a podcast or an interview to do with our keynote speaker for the Dumpster Expo this year, 2025. Guys, do not forget the Dumpster Expo tickets are currently on sale and for sale. The VIP tickets are going fast. The pre-event mixer is gonna be a blast, but that's only available if you get the VIP tickets, right? At the end of the day, if you don't get the VIP tickets, you know, you're not gonna be there at the pre-event mixer. And actually, that was one of the best times I had last year. Was kind of getting to know everybody before the show, and then at the show, things are just kind of hectic, and just there's really no time to really sit down and even talk to anybody. At least for me and a lot of other guys, it's just you're go all the time. So make sure that you get your tickets early because they are going to sell out. I'm only limiting the pre-event mixer to 100 people, and we're going to probably do it at, well, we'll talk about that later on. But the pre-event mixer is going to be, again, only for VIP ticket holders. And so, anyways, we got 11 minutes before I do this podcast with this keynote speaker. It is a big name, so I'm excited. You know, we pulled out all the bells and whistles for this one. David has been here for the last couple hours prepping the podcast room, making sure hopefully everything goes A-okay. So looking forward to this podcast. We're gonna drop this, hopefully we'll drop this tonight's live stream. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, stay tuned and we're gonna finish this up in a minute. Hold you up anymore, man. I'll let you go and do your thing and get ready for the next meeting. Woo! That was pretty cool. That was cool. So he got me, I mean, man, some of the things he said was just, the guy's a speaker. Like, he knows what he's talking about. He knows, you know, I fumble with my words. I'm not a professional at this. I just do it because I love to share. I love to show my journey. I don't do it because I'm a professional speaker or I'm antisocial. I'm the guy that's always in the back corner, kind of just, you know, hoping people don't give me eye contact, right? Because, you know, I always say English and Spanish are both my second language. Like, I don't even have like a first language. I feel like, because I mumble over my words. The guy is a professional. Like, he speaks, and like, he really speaks to you. He speaks to the crowd. He knows what to say, and he's been through it. So when I'm talking to him, it's like, man, there's things that he says that I know. I mean, this stuff applies to me just like it does to anybody else coming to the show, if not more me, because I feel like I should be more on point. I feel like I should hold myself up to a higher degree because just because of how many years of history and how many years of experience I personally have in business. And I'm not there. I'm not there yet. I'm not at his level. I'm not even close. And so, while success, I've always said success is in the eye of the beholder, right? Success to somebody, to you, might be different than it is to me, and it might be different than it is to him. While I feel like I am not successful yet, I feel like I'm still a long ways away. For a lot of guys, it's like, oh man, you're super successful, and I appreciate that. The minute we feel in our own hearts that we've already made it, then there's nothing else to look forward to, right? At the end of the day. So I feel like, the day that I say I'm successful is the day I'll probably retire and say, okay, it's time for me to just be done. Because then that'll be the day that I'm suffice with what I've done, and I haven't gotten there yet. I feel like his 5 pillars are things that I have to work on. There's things in my life that, I struggle with. I've talked about it on the channel before. My personal fitness, my health, I've struggled with that my whole life. And even in the channel, in the life of this channel, you've probably seen me, go through different phases of that. And so that's a struggle for me, and it always has been. So to hear him talk about he wouldn't do business with somebody if they were not fit or if they weren't healthy, that hurts, right? Because that, when he talks about telling truths, saying the truth, saying it might be a punch in your face or a punch in your gut, but it's going to be the truth. And that kind of thing just tells me, like, what, I still have my own personal development, my own life I have to get in order sometimes. So I'm excited to see him. I'm excited to speak to him, shake his hand, and hear what else he has to say. Just in those 45 minutes has me, changing my mindset a lot, or changing the way I think myself. So it is what it is. I'm excited to see him. I hope you guys are too. We're gonna upload this video. I've got to, talk about another meeting. I've got another meeting in 10 minutes or 12 minutes. I've got to get on. So it's for a vendor for the expo. So hopefully we'll get a good sized vendor. And yeah, don't forget to get your tickets. www.dumpsterexpo.com. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. We're out for the day.
And if you didn't come, sorry. Maybe next year.
I think anybody that didn't make it, that couldn't come, they have to be here next year.